What are you doing?
Eating lunch.
Weren't you eating earlier?
Breakfast. Yeah.
Oh my, we've got dinner in 7 hours. You're not going to want any now, are you?
Yes, I will, because I don't have the metabolism of a moth.
Oh, you've been eating so much recently.
Oh, that's great for my self-esteem. Okay, would you want to up my rent?
All right, I'll try and eat a bit less, I guess. What's wrong with you? What? You've not been eating recently. Look at you, you're wasting away. Oh, what do you want from me?